Hi, this is the much awaited video which I have been requested many times, and it's a life-changing thing that has happened to us. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about how the bioenzyme is made and mostly focus on how it's used, because the post making of bioenzyme, the usage is the most important point, and I want to drive the point in many times that bioenzyme can be used in multiple ways. Few ways I've not shown, but I'll talk about it here so that you guys get inspired, make your own bioenzyme and distribute all over and make the world a better place. All you need to make your bioenzyme is jaggery, citrus peels or any other fruit peels, and water. What you need to do is keep saving the lemon peels or orange peels in the refrigerator, and once you have a substantial batch ready, you have to mix these three in the following proportion: 100 grams of jaggery, 300 grams of peels, and 1 liter of water. So this is the ratio you have to maintain. So let's say if you're doing a 3 kilo of citrus peel, then 1 kilo of jaggery and 10 liters of water. So you'll get almost approximately 10 liters of bioenzyme. You just have to keep stirring it for a period of 1 month, and it takes almost 3 months to get ready. But if you use the residue of the first batch, then the entire process gets shortened. It reduces to almost a 45-day period. It's a very simple process. You could go to our blog on Suta, www.suta.in, and you can just go through the entire process, how you have to stir it, how often, and how often you have to close it. I'm going to show you 3 ways to use it, which I personally really use it quite often. The first one is use it as a hand wash. So what you have to do is just like regular hand wash. You could, if you need foam, then you could mix soap nut or probably your regular liquid soap in it, and just wash your hand like a regular hand wash. You'll get cleaner, beautiful, smooth hands, and trust me, you will not have dry hands, and you will really fall in love with this one. The second one is washing dishes. This is the most often I use it as. What I usually do is to get foam, which is very important for Indian cooking, because usually it's greasy. I usually mix soap nut in the bioenzyme liquid. There is no proportion. Depending on your need, you can mix it. Or you can also use your own liquid, which you usually use in a proportion of probably a 60-40, 60 bioenzyme and a 40 that. So you just have to take a little bit on the cleaner, and then you just have to normally use it on the plates, on the utensils, whatever you're using, and you'll also get a beautiful smell, and it stays really long. It also gets rid of cockroaches, so you can use it to wash your kitchen. Also, one of the very important points is if, let's say, through water, like even if while cleaning, let's say the regular the bar or the liquid doesn't get washed off your plate properly, it could be carcinogenic, it could be unhealthy, it could lead to diarrhea. And this one is, because it is derived out of citrus peels, or it's very natural, it will never harm your body, and you'll stay healthy forever. The third and the most fragrant of all, because the smell stays throughout the day, is washing the floor. In, let's say, a half a bucket water, you just have to use 1 cup of the liquid, the bioenzyme liquid. And a lot of people asked if it's liquidy or it's thick. It's always liquidy, it's not too thick. You could use probably 4 or 5 spoons in the half a bucket of water, and then you can, like a regular cleaning method, you can use any wiping cloth and wipe the entire floor with it. You can also wipe surfaces, which is like a windowsill or something with it, or even glasses. The smell is long lasting, and as I mentioned earlier, it will also reduce a lot of pests from your house and will keep the house super fresh and beautifully fragrant. All the best, guys. I hope you really liked the video, and write to me if you know any more methods, which probably I don't know. I'll be really happy to use them. I have tried using it as washing my clothes. It is also very effective if it's used with soap nut. I plan to distribute the same into our villages so that everybody uses this liquid for washing their clothes, and also the Suta clothes. I hope you like the video. Lots of love, and stay healthy, stay fit.